Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, add to the channel growth, and thank you so much for doing it. And let's get going here. Today we'll have a look at this. It's a black edition Outlander SE. So in Canada, there's ES is the base trim level, and then SE is the next one up, and it's a fantastic trim level. Comes with a lot of options. We'll have a look at a few of them in this video as well, but mainly this video is about making your Outlander stand out. And with this black edition, you can do it really quickly and very inexpensive compared to all the other modifications out there that exist. So what we did here is we took just factory looks that looks like something like this, except it has you know, black color instead of gray, but like, you get the idea. It's just the regular wheels, nothing fancy about it, lots of chrome on the front and the side, and we just painted the wheels black. We deleted the chrome, and this is the end result of what we have here right now. So let's check the wheels first. So we're taking the factory look wheels and we're painting them gloss black, and this gives you this good nice visual effect. So we can see how now this car is black, the wheels are black, and everything just looks real cool. So factory wheels again are something like this. We can see it in there. That's how they look. Now we also deleted the chrome around the windows, and that again makes the vehicle just stand out a bit more, or some might say blend in a bit more, because then you don't have that contrast that the factory version would have around the windows. Right here we can see on this brown one how it stands out right there. On this one it doesn't. We left the roof rails the way it is, silver, and we also have the side molding right here. So, and that really contrasts nicely together. So we have a bit of a chrome right here, silver over there, and that just looks awesome. Here on the side molding we have Outlander lettering, which is in chrome. So we have a little bit chrome, not too much, just the right amount. And same thing when we look at the front here, we have emblem that we left in chrome, and we have this lower bumper garnish piece that it's painted silver like that from the factory. And we deleted around the dynamic shield all black, these cross all black, and added black hood emblem to kind of like, you know, finish it off with this black edition looks. If we look at this car from the rear, so we can see how nicely we have you know, the chrome deleted, and from the back perspective, so this is what we got. We see the wheels are black, and again this lower bumper part is silver the way it comes from factory, and this just sort of like blends in all with the entire vehicle. Option wise, this one is SE, so we do have nice sunroof. I really like this panoramic sunroof. Super happy that Mitsubishi is adding something like that. Cloth seats, they're manual adjustable. On SE trim level you don't get power seats, but this one does have the kick motion activation. So this is very important feature that Mitsubishi added to even SE trim level. It's definitely one of the best things you could have. Once you have it and you're starting to use it in real life, you'll definitely appreciate it. So you can close it the same way. You can use either the buttons or the kick motion that I'm going to use right now. There we go, kick motion, and the tailgate closes. Very cool option indeed. So I really like those black wheels. Let's have a look at it one more time, how this looks. Nice inexpensive way to make your Outlander stand out. Just a regular SE black, and then we're deleting the chrome, painting the wheels black, and this is what you get. And you also need the Outlander hood emblem in black as well, so that way, you know, it's a little subtle, so you can see that it's there, but it's not kind of like, you know, something that would kind of like, you know, jump out or miss. Like if you wouldn't have anything there, the Outlander hood emblem, you would definitely miss it on the hood. But if it would be chrome or satin, that it would again just kind of like jump out too much, because we are going for this chrome delete theme. So but this one here, it's exactly the right looks compared to the factory. That's kind of give or take how they look come out of factory. And this is the upgraded black edition. So thank you so much for checking out this simple way how to make your Outlander stand out. Thanks again, and see you next videos.